Day trading is a scam, and day traders are actually fraud victims. David Jaffe with beststockstrategy.com. You can go to beststockstrategy.com and enter in your email address and receive over $400 of valuable training that will actually teach you how you can earn consistent and be profitable in the stock market. So I just want to make this clear because I know that a lot of people are gonna comment on this and say that I'm a bad trader or that I'm not doing it myself. Technical analysis and day trading does not work. So buy their program, like even if you get it for free, it's worse than garbage because you're going to lose all your money by trading. So the hoax is that what happens is that when you trade, you're pretty much going to be profitable around 40 to 45% of the time. So what people do is they'll make a little bit of money because again, 40 to 45% of the time your trades will be profitable, and then you are going to assign ways in your mind, you're going to misattribute that you can use these specific chart patterns or indicators to increase your success rate, which is completely false because prices are random. So if you actually give these experts, if you told them, hey, predict what Facebook is going to do tomorrow, tell me what the intraday price movements are going to be like, what's the price of Facebook going to be in the next hour, they're going to be wrong, right? Because day trading is a scam. And I know that you're being pulled into it because you think that there is easy money, but the reality is that not only are you not going to make money by day trading or swing trading, you are going to lose money by day trading and swing trading. So you're actually not trading. Day trading and swing trading is not trading. As a day trader or a swing trader, you are a scam victim. You are a fraud victim. To these people, you are a fraud victim because they do not trade themselves, right? They use simulators from companies like Thinkorswim, and they do not trade. It's as simple as that. Like myself, I sell option premium. If I had to day trade, I would lose all my money. If I had to buy options, I would lose all my money. The only way that you can consistently earn money is by selling option premium. So I have never met a profitable day trader. I have been trading for the past 20 years. I graduated from an Ivy League university. I worked on Wall Street. I worked at around 4 or 5 different investment banks. I have never met a profitable day trader. Additionally, you will not be able to tell me one highly successful day trader with verified performance. Warren Buffett, not a day trader. George Soros, not a day trader. Carl Icahn, not a day trader. All of these guys are not day traders because it does not work. There's not one hedge fund that engages in day trading. Now, there are a lot of hedge funds that profit from that bid-ask spread premium, whereas they buy the shares from the exchange and then they sell it when they fill orders, so then they profit anywhere from like 10 or 20 basis points and they pretty much take a risk-free profit. But as a retail trader, which is what you are, you will not make money day trading. You are going to be a fraud victim. And you cannot name me any individual retail trader who has made a lot of money on a verified basis by day trading, because they do not exist, because day trading is a fraud. Day trading is a scam. Swing trading is a fraud. Swing trading is a scam. So remember that day trading does not work, technical analysis does not work. I know that you're being fed all this psychological bull crap about being able to turn $10,000 into $3 million, but again, they're just utilizing that to tap into your greed so that you give them your money to learn a program that does not work. And then it's funny because someone like Tim Sykes will actually put a disclaimer on the bottom of his email and say that the reason why the majority of the traders will not make money is because they lack the work ethic. No, actually, the reason why the majority of the traders will not make money is because he's selling them a fraudulent product. Every single one of my students makes money because they sell option premium. But the reason why the students of Tim Sykes do not make money is not because they're going to go through his 5,000 shitty videos where he tries to overwhelm them with information, and therefore when they fail to succeed by selling penny stocks or trading penny stocks, he can point the finger at them and say that they haven't gone through all 5,000 of his videos. And that's what he does. He shames them into believing that the problem is inside of them when the reality is that they are actually fraud victims. But the reason why they tell you that the majority of the traders don't succeed is because they're simply trading the wrong strategy. The only way that you can consistently earn money in the stock market is by selling option premium. You can go to beststockstrategy.com, enter your email address, and receive over $400 worth of free material. Hey, look, if you don't like my style, that's completely cool. You can learn from Tasty Trade. Now, I am a more profitable trader than Tasty Trade because I do not believe in the trade often methodology where you indiscriminately sell option premium predicated upon high IV. I believe that you should take a much more risk-averse role while also increasing your premium by being opportunistic and waiting for a specific stock to fall on the low end of its range and then selling a put, and then also waiting for that specific stock to trade on the high end of its range, and then you trade and then you sell a call option. But if you don't like my style for whatever reason, I'm completely cool with that. So if you want to learn from Option Alpha, you want to learn from Tasty Trade, you want to learn from myself, totally cool. But if you decide to day trade, you will lose money because day trading is a fraud. Day trading is a scam. So don't blame anyone else for being a victim of that fraud when you try to swing trade and it doesn't work, because it's a scam and it's a fraud. So the only way that you can make money in the stock market is by selling option premium. This is David Jaffe. Go to beststockstrategy.com, enter in your email address, and receive over $400 worth of free materials. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'm here to help you. Thank you.